Many people think that a world trip begins with the first kilometer.
But ours has already begun. We're still here in Cologne. Nothing is packed yet.
The Bronco is still in the workshop, waiting for its inspection, its German license plate, and its conversion into our home. We're giving up our apartment.
And we ask ourselves, what do we sell? What do we keep? Where do we store it?
Life is currently being reorganized into boxes, into decisions, into courage.
On September 29th, we officially start.
3 years.
From Cologne to Sydney with the Bronco, with cameras, with a mission. We want to showcase entrepreneurs who are forging their own paths out in the world.
We are looking for strong brands, sponsors, and project partners who want to be part of this story.
Your brand in real stories. Over 30 countries.
We are searching for ideas, for partners, for encounters, like at the 4x4 Expo in Bad Kissingen.
Don't run away. We're setting off and we're taking you with us.
Miles meets moments from Cologne to Sydney. Stories that inspire people and move entrepreneurs. Subscribe now. Be there from the very beginning.